thanks for tuning in to the Crush It Trading Recap Show for Friday, November 15th, 2024. Crushed it again today with $3,061. And I'm telling you right now, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 setups take place today using the Crush It Trading strategy. I'm telling you right now, this thing produces cash flow every single day. If you want to learn a strategy that pays well, you need to check out the Crush It Trading strategy, especially if you've been losing money for the last 6 months to a year. You need to change something up. And I'm telling you right now, Crush It Trading is probably the place you need to start. All right, let's get into the trade of the day. There it is, NVDA, $3,061. So let's just jump into the trade now. You can see here on NVDA on the 5-minute, right out of the open, we have some downward momentum, and I'm looking for a continuation to the downside here. So I'm waiting for the break of the 5-minute candle here, and I do get a break at about 10:08, right? I did get one earlier, but it wasn't enough to get me into the trade, okay? So this is where I got in, is right when we broke below the 0.382 level right here. You can see that we took a Bollinger Band right now. This is a very particular strategy that we trade in the room. And if you're in the room, we'll go through this every single day and show you how to find these trades. But we took this trade off the 0.382 all the way down into the Crush It zone. And when we got into the Crush It zone, we took it back to the upside again. So basically, we got in. Let me see if I can draw this out here. So this is where we got in right here. Took that down to the Crush It zone, maybe a little bit farther. And then our stop was right here. So we had a 5.16 risk-to-reward ratio on this trade. And as soon as we got down to the Crush It zone, we're outside the Bollinger Bands at the 50% mark. Same thing on the 5, outside the Bollinger Bands. Nice injection candle there. We took it to the upside here also. So we got in. Actually, it was actually up here we got in. And we took this. Whoops, let me get rid of that there. So actually, we took this here. And I think we got in somewhere around here it was. And we took this all the way up to here for another, stop here. And that was a 2.13 risk to reward ratio. A nice winning trade on NVIDIA. Actually, we got it going down and then we got it going up. And then we had another setup take place here at the 0.318. I did not get into this. I was calling the setups out in the room. But there was a couple people that got into this trade here and did extremely well on NVIDIA. Now let's move over to the watch list here real quick. I mean, everybody was just crushing it today. Absolutely crushing it. You can see we had 1, 2, 3 setups take place right here on AMD. We came off the 0.618 level to the downside also, which was a setup which I didn't even count. But we came off the zero line here for a move to the upside. We had one off the 0.618 level here. We had all of our oscillators. Everything was setting up perfect for this one to move to the upside. And then once we got to VWAP and moved to the downside, there was 3 setups right there on AMD. Now, if you're in the room, we'll teach you how to put all these levels in here and teach you how to read that price action so you know when to get in and out of these trades and where your scaling points are. All right. And then here's Amazon. We just had one trade on Amazon right here at the 9-day, and we had a nice little move to the downside. Took a little bit of waiting and patience for this one to work out, and you would have got a winning trade on this one here all the way down to the previous all-time highs. We had one on Meta, a little spready, but it's still a setup off the Crush It zone into the 0.618. And you had a really nice move off the 0.618 all the way down to the 200% level. And you even got a little bit more on that one too. On Apple, we had a move off the Crush It zone. Once again, you could have made a living off the Crush It zone here. You got 1, 2, 3, technically about 4 or 5 different trades. You could have gotten this going up or down. Everything was setting up just perfect on most of these tickers. And you could have, like I said, you could have got them going up and got them going down. I was in the room guiding most of the people through some of these trades here. And once you get the hang of it and you understand the Crush It trade strategy, you probably won't need a lot of guidance. You can do it all yourself. Then we had Tesla also moving into the Crush It zone here. A nice move to the downside, 4.42 risk to reward ratio. Really nice setup there. So you can see a lot of these setups moved past their target zones. And then we have NVIDIA. We talked about NVIDIA. I had that come into the downside here. Then we had it go into the upside here. Then we had another move to the downside up to 0.382 and another one off the previous all-day high and another one close to the close at the previous all-time high. NVIDIA paid really well today. Now, if you're the kind of person that likes to sit and trade all day long, you'd have had a really good day today trading the Crush It trading strategy. All right. If you want to learn more about the Crush It trading strategy, do me a favor, click the links below. We have a special offer right now, $79 per month for life. This is a special deal right now. It's never going to happen again. The deal ends December 31st, 2024, $79 per month for life. This is normally $229 per month. Now, after December 31st, the price is going to go up. We have a limited number of spots available. So please, if you want to learn the Crush It Trade strategy, click the links below. What are you going to get in the room? You're going to get proven strategies, right, for consistent daily gains. You're going to get expert insights with real-time alerts. I will guide you through these trades. You're going to get, after 11 o'clock, we have classes on psychology. You're going to learn how to psychologically take control of your trades. Okay, and in the live sessions, we're going to showcase, like I said, all the real trades. We're live P&L. You'll be able to see exactly what I'm getting in, stock or options. And then also you have a very supportive community of traders that got your back. So there's no need to overanalyze a trade. So if you want to start mastering the markets with absolute precision, we're going to help you build the confidence to do it. All right? Check us out, Crush It Trading. We'll see you guys bright and early Monday morning. Take care.